Being in the luckiest 10% of the world with health, house, food, power, water, some funds, and being in Australia. I was recently talking to people and friends from around the world. A recurring theme we talked about was that at a time like this, the sharing of skills and expertise was of help. How can I help? What can I do? My approach is to try and help organizations of all types and sizes by sharing skills and expertise that I hope are of value, because this is how we can help people. This sharing of skills and expertise may be obvious to some and is probably not lightweight material, but please feel free to share and use. Have fun doing good, and please stay happy and healthy. This short information sharing session is about the decision to restore a business. It may seem obvious to some. It may seem suited to larger businesses rather than many small businesses in survival mode who just need to trade. But this session is intended to help in the decision-making process and to assist in making the choices necessary. If we can help, then we can all gain. First of all, there's the assumptions. The choice to restore business is driven by need, but it is also underpinned by a series of assumptions, including what the business will look like and what is the best for the business. Does it remain temporarily closed? Will it cease trading? Will there be a sell-off of the business or its assets or a merger? Will it open and or trade with a revised business model? There's a series of dependencies around the restoration of the business, and this includes government policy, e.g. continued restrictions and social distancing needs. The sentiment of customers, for example, do they feel safe, and is it an essential or a luxury service? The response of markets, from the availability of products to the funding availability. A business decision is dependent upon what is occurring in markets, e.g. border restrictions on the number of tourists. And above all, cash flow, and is a function of the revenue, costs, and the available funds. The strategy for restoration of the business needs to be clearly defined, quantifiable, and understood so that the activities and efforts can be allied. For example, the risks in the American meat industry and the impact upon the food supply provide an opportunity for Australian producers. This is where the strategy comes into the mix. And of course, we have the risks. There are many risks to opening the business and to keeping it open, included changes in the assumptions, variations in the dependencies, customers not spending, safety of people and staff, disruption to supply chains, cost to change a business and to sustain the business. These are not easy decisions, and there are many more risks, assumptions, and dependencies. The business environment will change. Revisions to decisions will need to occur, and we do not know how many of these decisions will play out and how. We just hope that this session is of use to you and helps you with your decision making. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed this session and found it of value. This session can be used beyond COVID-19 decision making. Please help others by sharing the link. Looking forward to your comments and the sharing of other skills and expertise. Don't forget to subscribe so that we can help you, and please help others to help themselves.